Allow your eyes to comfortably close. As you do so, come down into your body's weight and volume, and the movements your body makes as you breathe. Breathe out down the full length of your body, allowing your body to soften and release what it's brought with it here and no longer needs to carry. Let it flow out of you and away. Let yourself know it's completely okay to be exactly as you are right now. It's completely okay to be exactly who you are right now. In your own time and when you are ready, gently take your awareness to the back of your neck at the base, where your neck meets the top of your spine. Breathe into here and allow it to soften and release what it's holding as you breathe out. Let it flow out of you and away. Move your attention gently to your shoulders. Breathe into your shoulders, allowing them to soften and release what they are holding as you breathe out. Move down to your arms. And breathe into your arms, allowing your arms and hands to soften and release what they're holding as you breathe out. When you are ready, take your attention to your mid-back. Breathe into here, allowing the whole of this area to soften and release what it's holding as you breathe out. Let it flow out of you and away. And breathe into your lower back, allowing it to soften and release everything it's holding as you breathe out. Breathe into your belly and hips, allowing your belly and your hips to soften and release all they've been holding as you breathe out. Moving down to your buttocks and your legs. Breathe into your buttocks and your legs at the same time, allowing them to soften and release what they've been holding as you breathe out. Letting your feet soften and release too. When you are ready, move up to your chest. Breathe into your chest, allowing it to soften and release all it's been holding as you breathe out. Let it flow out of your chest and away. Take a few moments to check if there's somewhere you'd like to return to, and breathe into that place or places, helping them to release as you breathe out. Take your time. Everything flowing out and away. When you are ready, gently come back to the sensation of air entering and leaving your nostrils. And the movements your body makes as you breathe. Notice you're breathing in from the space around you and out into it. And in your own way, your own time, you can draw this meditation to a close.